Ever struggled with too many kitchen gadgets cluttering your counters? In today's video, you'll discover the top 4 air fryer toaster oven combos that seriously simplify cooking, crisp, toast, roast, all in one. Welcome to the channel. If you love this, buy through the links below to support us. At number 4 is Cuisinart 1800 Watt 8-in-1. What if your countertop could replace 6 appliances? The Cuisinart 1800 Watts 8-in-1, priced around $209.95, might just be the one. This powerhouse delivers air fry, bake, broil, toast, grill, and more, all in one unit. Its Air Advantage airflow gives crisps that rival deep frying, and its roomy interior handles a 12-inch pizza or 4-pound chicken with ease. Compared to another combo in my top 4, its simplicity and all-around balance stood out, though its timer dial isn't super precise. Pros are versatile performance, strong crisping, intuitive controls. Cons are dials lack finesse, occasional heating of knobs, and a bit of a learning curve. Users have flagged thermostat variance and uneven cooking over time. Still, if you want to consolidate multiple devices into one respectable combo, this is a smart, confidence-boosting option. It's not perfect, but in the top 4 circle, it earns a thumbs up, especially for those ready to invest in real utility. On number 3 is Instant Pot Omni Plus. Could one appliance really replace your oven, fryer, and grill, and actually do it well? Priced around $249.99, the Instant Pot Omni Plus is a strong contender in the top 4 air fryer toaster oven combos. It offers 10 modes: air fry, bake, broil, rotisserie, dehydrate, toast, reheat, roast, convection bake, warm, powered by even crisp and golden quartz infrared heating for crisp results with far less oil. During testing, it handled a 12-inch pizza and chicken with ease, outperforming one rival in my list that struggled with consistent heating. It gives relief to gadget overload problems and brings peace of mind by consolidating appliances. Yet it isn't flawless. The touchscreen can be confusing for some, fan noise gets loud, and cleanup near heating elements is fiddly. For those who want smart, flexible cooking in one unit, it's a smart buy. For minimal users or those with tight budgets, a simpler combo might suffice. At number 2 is the Ninja Foodi Series. Could one machine really replace your oven, fryer, and more, and do it brilliantly? The Ninja Foodi Series, often seen in top 4 air fryer toaster oven combo lists, delivers 10 cooking modes with true surround convection, and retails for about $229.99. It preheats in just 90 seconds, cooks up to 30% faster, and lets you roast a 5-pound chicken while air frying veggies on the second rack. The crisping is impressive, and uneven browning was rare in my tests, unlike one model in my top 4 that struggled with edge heat. But it's not flawless. It's bulky, accessories mostly require hand washing, and the exterior gets hot under heavy use. I felt relief trading multiple gadgets for one reliable unit. If you crave versatility, speed, and space efficiency, this is a smart pick, but if you cook tiny meals or hate cleanup, consider a smaller combo instead. Now moving to the last one is Cuisinart TOA-60. The Cuisinart TOA-60 combines air fry, bake, broil, toast, convection modes in one 1800 watt unit. It fits 6 slices, a 12-inch pizza or a 4-pound chicken. It preheats fast and toasts reliably, though it often overshoots temperature and struggles with stability. In my tests, its simplicity was refreshing compared to a more complex top 4 combo that needed digital fiddling. The pros are intuitive controls, versatile modes, solid capacity. The cons are uneven crisping, poor temperature accuracy, and limited finesse for baking. For those who want one all-purpose machine without screen menus, it's a safe, smart pick, but if you bake delicate recipes often, a more advanced combo from the top 4 may suit you better. I picked Cuisinart 1800 Watt 8-in-1 as the top choice. It gives real versatility, 8 functions: air fry, bake, broil, warming, etc., strong capacity, toast 6 slices, 3 pounds wings, 12-inch pizza, and up to 450° Fahrenheit temp range. Users say it crisps fast, toasts reliably, and is easier to clean than many others. Yes, Some report temperature variance or bulk, but overall it wins on balance of performance, reliability, and value in real kitchens. If you want one appliance that works well every day, this is the one to get. So guys, this was the video about the top 4 best air fryer toaster oven combo. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.